Hey guys, this is Rachel at Framebridge. I work on our customer experience team, and today I'm going to go through one of the things that we get a lot of questions about, which is how to mail in your art. So we've got a couple pieces that we're going to mail today. This mail-in that we're going to do in a flat mailer. It's a great map of my neighborhood, as well as a piece of art that we're going to roll up in a tube. So we start, I've received my packages from Framebridge in the mail. It's very exciting. And I'm just going to cut it open. There we go. Just try to cut it along the tape so that I don't damage the package. All right. And since this one is already protected, it's going to be relatively easy. To package it up. Cut the tape up just a little bit more. And what's really great is we've got a lot of protection in the package itself. So we've got two pieces of cardboard that we can sandwich the piece in between, just here and here. And we also have a really great piece of plastic that protects it from any rain or anything that might happen in inclement weather. And then it comes with just a great bunch of things put together on a paper clip. This is just a little bit about your piece. If you want to write a little note to our designers or need some help, this is how you do that. This is just a little bit about how we frame things. Here we go. This is how we're going to send this back. And this is just a little bit of tape for us to reseal our package. So it's going to be real quick. I am going to take our piece. I'm going to put it between the two pieces of cardboard. And since this piece already has its own plastic protection, I would not normally use ours as well, but just for safety, I am going to just slip it right in here and pull this off. There we go. And seal it right back down. So now it's just a little bit extra protection. And put our piece right back on here. And just for fun, I am going to write our team a little note that just says, "Hi guys, can't wait to see this framed. Thanks, Rachel." Now, I don't have any special instructions or anything specific that I'm doing with this piece, but if you did, this is just a great place to put that. Our team looks at and reviews each of these before we start working on our pieces. So it's a great way to just check in with your designer and let them know anything that you might be worried about. So here we go. We just pack this right back up. And I'm going to take my handy tape here and get two pieces, which is awesome. Just unpeel it. Unpeel it and be really careful not to get it stuck to itself like I just did. But it'll be okay. All right. And just tape it right back down. There we go. Be a little bit less clumsy the second time around, hopefully. And there we go. All right, now it is all packed up to go. I just need to take my shipping label and I'm just gonna put it right over the original shipping label that came here so that it doesn't get confusing for anybody at UPS. And that's it. We are done with that piece. Okay, so now we are going to do the same thing all over again. Clean up a little bit here with our tube. So for this guy, I'm gonna pop this top open and take out my pieces. Put this right up here. And as you can see, we have the same exact stuff here, just some labels, tape, a great little protection here, and our notes. So here we go. This is our awesome piece of art. And I am gonna fold the, roll this up, and you see I'm rolling with the shorter side so that it can fit right into the tube. It's just easier than doing it by the longer side, which is a little bit less protective. So I'm roll it right up here. Just get it all nice and rolled. This is actually one of the safest ways to ship your art in a rolled space, and with this plastic protection, because it really keeps it from anything that could happen, which is awesome. Clearly did not quite roll it tight enough, so we'll give it another go.